Your bank account is lying to you, not because the bank is evil. That big number on your screen isn't your spendable cash, it's a mix of posted stuff, pending stuff money you've promised future you. Here's the fix. I'll show you your true usable balance so you stop overspending. First, why that balance isn't real. Banks show two numbers. Posted balance, available balance. Posted, on SAS, fully cleared. Available, on SAS, posted plus minus holds authorizations. Available still ignores bills you've scheduled, subscriptions, about to hit checks that haven't cleared, payments you've mentally committed, so it feels like you have more than you do. Where your money is already going, pending card authorizations, gas stations, hotels, food deliveries, can settle higher, auto pays and subscriptions, rent, utilities, annual renewals that sneak up, outstanding checks or transfers, money you sent that hasn't left, in-flight deposits, paychecks marked pending, refunds not yet posted. How to find your real number. Do a mini bank reconciliation, personal finance style. Step 1, open your bank app, and open a simple tracker. Step 2, start with the posted balance, not the flashy total. Step 3, subtract. Pending card authorization, scheduled bill pays, auto pays, due in 5 or 7 days, any checks you wrote. Step 4, add only guaranteed incoming deposits payroll has run or deposit confirmation. Step 5, double-check fees and interest you haven't logged. That result, your true cash today. Quick example. Posted balance, $2,000. Pending authorizations, $120. Scheduled rent, 3 days. $200. Utilities auto pay, tomorrow, $95. Guaranteed paycheck pending, $800. True number, check 1,385. That's what you can move without breaking something. See your true surplus. Now subtract this week's planned spending. Groceries, transport, fun. If that's $250, your free and clear surplus is $1,135. Use that money for debt savings investments. How to get started today. Comment truth if you're ready. Grab the Finance Reset Toolkit plus Dynamic Financial Planner. Link in description. Inside, complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goals, interactive web app simulation, clear progress charts. Do this once a week for 5 minutes. Your bank balance will stop lying, and you'll stop guessing. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.